Hello student, today we are going to discuss with backdoor. In last lecture we discussed the virus, types of a viruses, then difference between virus and worms, how the virus which is to be installed on your system through the database server, through the any CD or DVD or any by PC, also through the network. Also, we discussed the difference between virus and worms. What is Trojan horse? Now, backdoor. A backdoor, it means of access to a computer program that bypass security mechanism. Program use it for troubleshooting. Attacker often use backdoor that they can detect or install themselves as a part of an exploit work in a background and hide from user. Most dangerous parasite as it allow a malicious person to perform any possible action. The programmers sometimes leave such as backdoor in their software for diagnostic and troubleshooting purpose. Attacker discover this undocumented feature and use them. So backdoor it is means of access the computer system just like as a what it perform. It allow attacker to create, delete, rename, copy or edit any file, execute various command, change and system setting, alter the windows, registry, run control and terminate the application. So these are the things which are related to the backdoor. So these are what it perform. It it perform what we can say that alter the information to control the computer hardware devices, steal sensitive information, record keystroke. It send all gathered data to the predefined email address. It infect file. It distribute infected file to the remote computers. It install hidden FTP server. It degrade the internet connection speed. It provide or it provide no uninstall feature and hide the processes and other object to the complicate in its removal. Example of backdoor trojans are back office enable user to control a computer running the Microsoft Windows OS from remote location. Bifrost it it is another backdoor Trojan horse that can infect Windows 95 through Vista. It uses typical server builder and client backdoor. SAP backdoors, that is SAP is an enterprise resource planning system. Nowadays ERP is the heart of business technology platform. This system handles the key business processes of the organization, such as procurement, invoicing, human HR management, billing, stock management, and financial. So the backdoor can present into the SAP user master plan that support an authentication mechanism when a user connect to the system. ONAPSIS Bizploit. It is the open source ERP penetration testing framework developed by the ONAPSIS research. So the Bizploit assists security professional in the discovery exploitation. So the backdoor which are also available in the back office, Bifrost, SAP backdoors and ONAPSIS Bizploit. Now, how to protect from Trojan horse and backdoors? So we will discuss this thing next lecture.